Welcome to Your Success. Big updates out from the board CBSC. Okay, this is really important news for class 12 and 10 students. So, if any 12th and 10th student watching this video, kindly watch the video till end as it would be very helpful for you all. Like recently, new circular was out from CBSC official website. After we come to know the expected date of exam, first term exam that will be held by 15th of November. Like we all are not aware that when it will end, and full date sheet is not being provided. So the complete date sheet will be provided to us by this week. Like schools are expecting the date sheet by 15th of October. That means by this week the date sheet will be in your hand. So now you are aware that expected date is 15th of November, so you can accordingly prepare for your exam. Yes, you can like prepare your timetable and manage your study time and all, and your curricular activities and all. And hopefully by this time you all have completed like your syllabus or third fourth of your syllabus. But the correct way and process which can help you score good marks in exam is very important. Like how you score good marks in this upcoming exam. Who knows, the situation might be like not in our favors, and something like this pandemic again increased, and like you will be allotted the marks of final boards in basis of this first term examination. So give your 100% in the first term examination. And council has also officially announced the like question will be MCQ type. Yes, you everyone knows that the first term questions will be in MCQ type question. So practice the MCQ as much as you can. And also you will find the MCQ in my channel itself. You'll find the series of MCQ, so which will be really helpful for you. So go through it once, and yes, I assure you that it would be helpful for you. And now coming toward the subjects for both classes, subject for class 10s, like every subject of this class is really important for you. So you follow the MCQ of every subjects and go through some important notes. Like every subject for class 10 is really important, and the MCQ will be available in my channel too. And for class 12 we already have a series of geography in our channel. Go through it once. And other than that, now you came to know that the date, right, the expected date, actually it is the 15th of November. So you can like assume the date till then, and then you can make some timetable to it, routine for it, and then you prepare for your exam. And the most important thing is that till date schools are also not like instructed, or like you can say that it is announced that how the board will be conducted, that in what process or where should be the board conducted. School are till date not being instructed or being like said to conduct the board this way. And it is also not being confirmed that how the evaluation would be done. Like either it would be done in the school itself, or then other than that board will itself like evaluate the marks. So it is not fixed yet. Okay, so don't think about it. And but like what is confirmed is the question paper that you will be given during your first term will be like made from CBSC itself. CBSC will itself make the question and then circulate it all over the India, and all the questions of first term will be the same and will be sent by CBSC like board exam. You can call it a board exam also. I hope the information was helpful for you. If you think it is helpful, to share with your friends and do like the video. And the ones who are new to my channel, first do check the playlist. If you think that the material is helpful for you, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so my latest video updates can reach up to you easily. Okay, धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.